Lust is quietly destroying you. You might not notice it, but it's silently stealing your confidence, your discipline, and your peace. Every time you give in, you grow weaker. Here's the harsh truth most people won't tell you. Lust can be defeated, and that battle begins today. Lust isn't just a craving or desire, it's a trap. It offers fleeting pleasure but leaves you empty in the end. It fools your brain into thinking you've achieved something, when in reality, you've just drained your energy, your willpower, and your drive. The worst part? It turns you into a slave of your impulses. How can you build a strong, powerful life if you can't even say no to a screen? That's not strength, that's weakness. And I know because I've been there. Most people fail to overcome lust because they approach it the wrong way. They rely purely on willpower. But willpower is limited, it fades. The truth is, you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. You're losing this battle for three main reasons. Your phone is always within reach, you scroll late at night alone with no purpose, and you never stop to ask yourself, why am I doing this? You've trained your brain to seek dopamine from lust. To truly break free, you must retrain your brain, not just suppress your urges. Here's how you win. 1. Cut off the triggers, block the sites, unfollow the accounts, lock down your access. Make failure more difficult. 2. Replace, don't just remove. Build new habits. When the urge arises, act, get up, take a walk, do push-ups, or journal. Don't sit there and try to outfight your mind. Move your body. 3. Understand your why. Are you lonely, bored, or numb? Lust often masks deeper pain. Address the root, not just the symptom. Now imagine waking up fully in control, focused, strong, and clear-minded. No hiding, no guilt, just clarity. When you conquer lust, your energy returns, your confidence rises, and you stop being led by impulses. You start leading your life. You are not weak, you're just untrained. Start today. Defeat lust. Take back your power. The real battle isn't outside, it's in your mind. And the good news? You can win.